Today we're going to show you how to properly install your new flexible vinyl plank or tile flooring using either a releasable or permanent glue down method. Either way, you will need to conduct a moisture test and document the results prior to installing the floor. For complete installation details, be sure to consult the instructions that came with your particular flooring. Be sure to acclimate your new flooring and adhesive by placing it in the room for at least 48 hours before installation. Optimal temperatures to acclimate, install, and maintain your flooring range from 55 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. For best results, a finished vinyl floor starts with proper preparation underneath, since imperfections in the subfloor can telegraph to the surface of your new flooring. First, remove any existing flooring, underlayment, or adhesive. Check the subfloor for flatness, correcting any indentations greater than 3/16 of an inch over a 10-foot span by filling with a Portland-based cement. Next, using a handsaw or flush cut saw, undercut any door casings as needed. Flooring should slide easily under each casing. Pro tip: for casings that need to be trimmed, prop the flush cut saw on top of a scrap piece of the new flooring to ensure correct height. Finally, sweep or vacuum the subfloor thoroughly to remove any debris. It's important to ensure your subfloor is flat, smooth, dry, and clean. Before you begin, determine that the moisture level of your subfloor is no greater than 14%. Porous subfloor surfaces will require an additional step of priming with an acrylic latex primer. Now, you're ready to start the installation. Once the subfloor has been prepped, measure the short dimension of the room and divide by the width of the planks, or tiles depending on your particular flooring. Plan ahead to be sure the first and last rows will be at least half the width of the planks. Next, measure the long dimension of the room and divide by the length of the planks, ensuring the first and final planks in each row measure at least 8 inches long. Determine your starting point and snap a chalk line to ensure your installation begins on a straight line. For a releasable installation, fully saturate a 3/8 inch nap paint roller with a pressure-sensitive adhesive and apply an even, heavy coat to the subfloor. The adhesive should have an orange peel texture. For a permanent installation, use the U-notch trowel to uniformly apply the pressure-sensitive adhesive. For either method, wait for the adhesive to dry to the touch, ensuring no adhesive transfers to your fingers before laying the flooring. Once the adhesive is ready, lay the planks in place and smooth the surface, rolling the joints with a vinyl seam roller. Note the directional arrow on the underside of each plank. Be sure to orient all planks in the same direction. Pro tip: install flooring using planks from several cartons to ensure a more natural blend of colors throughout the floor, and be sure to inspect each plank closely before laying it. Remember, pieces at the beginning and end of each row must measure at least 8 inches long, and joints should be offset by at least 12 inches between rows. Once all the planks are down, use a push broom to work out any air bubbles, moving them out toward the walls. For a permanent installation, finish by rolling the entire floor with a 100-pound roller. You can walk on your new floor immediately after installation, but wait at least 72 hours before wet mopping. With a bit of basic maintenance, you can enjoy your new floor for years to come.